It's been said over and over that you need an amazing lead magnet to start building a list. I think that's black squishy bullshit. Plain bullshit. How will you ever know what you are going to create to give away for free in exchange for someone's email address is worth your time, effort, and money? You don't need to create a lead magnet to build your email list. Instead, you can actually build your email list before you create your lead magnet. It is much easier to do than you think. Definitely not what your marketing gurus teach. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crowdsource your first or next lead magnet and build your email list in the process. Let me explain. Hi, I'm Ed Rich, and I help you increase your circle of influence and create more impact with your influence in less time. If you're watching this far, you probably already know the importance of building an email list to create an impact on this world. But for those who are new to this concept or this information, just know that email list is the only known media that you can own and demand attention from. Compare this with your followers on social media. Isn't it haunting that social media can take away all your following without any explanation if they want to? There are many ways they can do that, and talking about them is beyond the scope of this video. In short, you don't want to rely on them to build your circle of influence. It's the email lists you're after. Last I checked, every internet marketing guru is an advocate of creating and giving an amazing opt-in bribe or lead magnet in exchange of your audience's email address. Some even go as far as to say that you should actually give away your best stuff for free. I know people who spend weeks to write ebooks to give away for free. So far, so good. What's wrong with that? In theory, I agree with this approach. But if you're starting out or creating a brand new product or service, how will you know that the lead magnet you will create will actually convert? What to do if it doesn't convert at all? All your hard work gone with the wind. You may think maybe your next lead magnet will work, or the next one. A lot of people don't even launch their idea because they're afraid that no one will like their lead magnet. In the way traditional online funnels are explored, if you want to sell something else, you must put it as an upsell on the back of a lead magnet. Now, if your lead magnet is not converting, then nobody is seeing your upsell offer, no matter how useful is that product for the reader. That's a score of 0 on influence scale. Every now and then, I come across people who are inspired by books such as Expert Secrets or .com Secrets and build their own complex business and marketing models, which are also known as funnels. Some of them are even 7 or 8 level deep in terms of upsells and downsells. But when they pay money to the traffic sources to send traffic to their opt-in pages, they fail the first level of influence, making people to take a small step to give you their email address and permission to send them marketing emails. This is madness. This has to stop somewhere. So what is the solution to this problem? In my experience, when your lead magnet is not tested by your social media or your own traffic, you should tell people that you don't have the lead magnet. But you will create one when there are enough people interested in it. Basically, you will build as many opt-in pages as either coming soon, waiting list, or get invited, as many ideas you have. Then send some traffic to these pages and see which one of these ideas convince and convert people. That's pure influence and persuasion. Before I explain how you can do it step by step, let me share some examples. When Groupon started, it started as a group buying site. Unless certain number of people are willing to buy an offer, the offer will not be available. The company got its traction that way and became the mammoth it is today. A popular website among product makers called Product Hunt has started a service where you can create a landing page announcing your idea, and other community members will go and subscribe to your landing page if they like your idea. Product Hunt call it Ship, and its users know it as upcoming. It's making Product Hunt pretty popular now. They charge you money to have more than one idea or for the ability for you to send emails to people who subscribe. But the point is that you validate your idea, get people to sign up to your email list, and then follow up with them to develop your idea further. Not very long ago, I was helping authors launch their books. One of my mentors, Vasco Duarte, who was at the time also my employer, taught me this. Do not ask the authors to write their book until the book idea proves itself first. What we did then was something extremely simple but powerful. We would come up with book ideas with the authors and then make an opt-in page each for few selected ideas for people to sign up in exchange for reading the book for free. Then we'll throw out these opt-in pages on the Wild Wild West internet. Ideas whose pages got most opt-ins will see the light of the day. Pages that don't get opt-ins will just be recycled to another idea. We would then survey those people who signed up, sometimes even call them personally, to learn what are their unique challenges. And that went into creating our books and courses that we then sell through our launches. Now, bringing your attention to here and now, idea validation is a better lead magnet than a lead magnet out of the box. Hopefully, you'll understand the whole concept, but how to actually implement this with your ideas. Let me show you how. So let's go through these steps involved in creating such a funnel, such an opt-in funnel for yourself. We talk about the ideas that you have and traffic, and then what to do with that traffic. Let's say you have many ideas. You have 5 different ideas of lead magnets. You go and create landing pages, opt-in pages basically, where people will have an option to be on the waiting list or sign up for a coming soon page, get invited, an invitation list. So those are the 3 types of opt-in pages that I love. The thank you page, the confirmation page of these opt-in pages, I like to keep Google Forms, a survey, where I ask them the number 1 challenge they are having. Connect those pages with an email autoresponder as well, because you need those people to go in the list. And there has to be a mechanism which can tell you later that these people came from this specific page. I usually use tagging inside autoresponders. So what you do is you connect similar group, similar topic into the same funnel survey mechanism on a Google form, similarly for the other topics. So you don't have to create too many forms for this. You just use one form and repurpose it with other landing pages. So only every time you have a new idea, you just create a new landing page and then just spend $10-20 on the traffic with your traffic ideas to send some traffic there. Once every one of these pages have a couple of 100 visitors, it's good enough data to give you information on which pages are converting, which are not. Don't forget to send in the email sequence, because you are not delivering them the results immediately. In the very first email, explain them that you're working on it, you're working on this product, and if there are enough interest from people, then you will complete this product. When they will fill the survey, use that data, pick up their problem, find out the problem that you can solve really quickly, and then deliver that as a lead magnet. This is how you create your opt-in funnel. Come up with as many ideas as you can. Just every time you have idea, no more going to GoDaddy or Domain Place and then buying a domain. Instead, just use your landing page tool, create a landing page, and you're done. A common mistake people make here is that they want every idea to be unique. Don't be afraid to model ideas from someone else's lead magnets. Use your own words though. What if you have already created some lead magnets and would like to see if this audience like it or not? Then I'll include those lead magnets in the emails as a bonus for being on the list while they are waiting for what they signed up for. The only 3 tools you will ever need to collect this type of market intel are landing page software, an email automation tool, and free Google Forms. This brings us to your action steps. You've learned how you never have to create a lead magnet before you will ever test out your idea in the public. Now you can create the impact with every idea you ever have without even maturing the idea. This will save you time, money, energy, and best of all, this will boost your confidence. It's time to do something with this knowledge. I know you have options to watch other videos and pass the time, but before you do that, I urge you to take out a few minutes and use the comment section below to brainstorm your lead magnet ideas with one idea per comment. Go through what other people are talking about, what their ideas are, and share your views. If you have questions for me, then ask them in the comments too, and I'll answer as many as I can. Watch this video as many times as you want to hone in the idea deep into your brain. And if you have not done already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell if you want to increase your circle of influence big time. I release new episodes every Tuesday. Signing out, this was Ed Rich, who just helped you create more impact with your influence in less time.